Dito naman sa pangalawang activity is to enable MFA for admin only. May three user group named CCTV, data analysis, and database management. Each user group has 4 users with 3 policies, each enabling access to CLI. So, ang una kong ginawa is create ng user group. So, bala ito na yung user group name, CCTV, data analysis, and database management. Tapos, meron siyang ika-apat na user. So, each user is naglagay ako ng tatlong policies. Each policy enable access key to CLI. So, ayan na siya. Bawat user. May policy. Tapos dito din sa data analyst. May data analyst. User 1 example. Ayan yung mga policies nila. User 1 sa database management. So, each user has 3 policies and ito yung mga policies nila. Yun lang.